What's up, party people? Today we are going to finish up at least the top of the car. So the vertical stuff we'll do later. I just want to kind of get all the horizontal things that we have left on the car. Take a look. So I'm going to do this side over here, and then I'm going to have to hand sand in between here. So let me get going on that. I'm going to use the orbital sander today instead of that big O polisher that I was using yesterday. This is probably just going to be easier. It covers the same surface area and whatnot. Alright, I've made it through the roof. I used the orbital sander dry, and it was so much easier than using that giant Temu thing. I didn't take off as much of the primer. I have a feeling I'm going to have to reprime this thing anyway, because the paint on it was so bad and so uneven. I had sanded it down, primered it, and it still didn't fill all of the orange peel. So we'll see how it turns out at the end, but I'm just going to paint it white anyway. So hopefully with everything just smoothed out, there'll be enough tooth for the paint to grip onto. But yeah, I'm going to finish up now. I'm going to go over the hood, and then if I have some time, I'm going to put something in the roof like I was talking about, like maybe make some sort of silicone plugs or something to put in there, just to make sure that I don't have water leaking in, or tape, or just something. All right, so I have the whole roof and hood of the car, plus the top of the bumper, the sides, and the front 2 quarter panels, kind of done. I need to go over everything with hand sander to make sure that I get in all the nooks and crannies and curves and all that stuff. But the vast majority of it's done. I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some tape. I'm going to hand sand the things on the roof. I'm going to put some tape over those holes, and I'm going to hose it down and see what it looks like. All right, I am done for the day. It is way too hot out here to be standing in the direct sunlight, and I'm out of the correct grit sandpaper anyway. But I was able to get everything done on top as well. I have to go inside and get the painter's tape that I needed to put the tape over the little holes. And then I'm going to rinse it off and kind of see where we're at, what needs to be reprimered, what needs to be sanded a lot more, what I need to do about that weird Bondo fix on the roof. And we'll just kind of go from there and keep trying to make this thing look better. Have a good one.